Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing this fishtail braid on this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So what you're going to start by doing is brushing out any kinks that you may have in the hair, and especially since I'm using a synthetic wig, I just want to make sure that it's tangle free. You know what I mean? So now what you're going to do is separate the hair in two parts where you try to get it equal on both sides. And I'm just going to go ahead and brush out the little kinks that I got from separating it. Don't mind that cap, guys. I did not secure it down. It's going to be covered. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep brushing. If you have a human hair wig, you won't have to do this much work to keep it tangle free. But I've been wearing this wig non-stop for the past couple of weeks, so it's getting a little dry. So now you just want to start by taking about a ½ inch to an inch of hair from the outside. I like doing it from the bottom first because it holds the hair from the top section. So, and you want to move that to the center of the braid, and now you want to grab another ½ to an inch from the outside and pull that in towards the inside. So you're really thinking outside, inside, outside, inside. So outside to the inside. And then you just want to keep doing this all the way down to how far down you actually want the braid to be. So I'm just going to move in a little bit closer so you can see. So that's going to be outside, inside, and grab it into this next section of hair. And I'm getting tangles. But if you lose your place, it'll usually fall right back in, so you really won't lose your spot. You can just keep going. Pull it as you go. So tighten the braid as you go so that once you get to the end of it, you can loosen it up. So if you see, I go out, in, pull, out, in, and pull. Just so that it'll be like a tight braid, and once you get down to the bottom, you can loosen it up and you can have like a bigger flowy braid, or you can have it tight if you would like. But it'll go right back into where it fell from, so it's kind of easy to just pick up where you left off. outer inner until you get to the desired length of the braid that you would like to have, and then you just place the rubber band about a ½ inch to an inch below where the braid actually ends. Rubber band on the end, and as you can see, I moved it down a little bit before it popped. But as you can see, I'm moving it down a little bit, about 1 inch to a 1/2 inch below where the braid actually ended, just so I can loosen. I did not secure it, guys, but just so I can loosen the braid up, like so, and just give the hair a thicker look. And throughout the day, it'll start to get messier and messier, and it'll be so cute. So there you go, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.